First of all, thanks for being part of this video. In this video, we are going to see the day 68 daily score booster questions. Starting with the simplifications. First question is 65% of 720. I know 50% which is 360 and 10% is 72 and 5% is 36. This will be 8, 10, 16, 468 for this one. 42 percentage of 365. So I know 50 percentage will be 182.5. 8 percentage of 365. 8 5 times 40, 8 6 times 48, 52, 8 3 times 24, 294 and 29.2. So this is 50% and this is 8%, means subtracting 8 from this one we get 0.3, and this will be 3, 7 minus 2, 5, 153. So what we get here is 153. 153 plus 468. This 107.7 comes here. This we have 1, 10, 19, 12. This will be 6 plus 1, 7. 729 equals to x square, which is 27 square. So answer will be option B, 727. Next, second question. Root over x percentage. So 620 divided by 100 root x plus 72 into 6 times 6, 2 times 12, 6, 42, 43, 463 minus 462, we get 1, 3, 31, 31, 2 times, so 2, 5 times, root x equals to 5, so x value will be 5 square 25, so answer will be 25, option B. Next, third one is 6 plus x into 17 minus 15 divided by 15 square, 225 minus 169, we get 6, 5, 56 equals to 5, 5 6 times 30, 5 5 times 25, 28 equals to this will be minus 9, minus 9 comes here, 271. Wait a second, this is minus 9 here, so it will be plus 9 here, 289. 17 times is 289, so answer will be 17, option B is the answer. Next, fourth question, 178 into 11, so 7 plus 1 8, 7 plus 8 which will be 15, 1 5, so 195 and unit digit is 8. Next, 42 minus 3, 39 divided by 28 minus 15 which will be 13, 3 times, so adding 3, 1961, option A is the answer. Next, fifth question, 900 plus 63 into 63, 9 3 times 27, 9 6 times 54, 56, 63 square which will be 3 square 9 and 3 6 times 36, 6 square 36 plus 3, 393, so 3969, adding these two we get 9, this will be 15, 16, 0 60 669 for the first one. Root over 42 25 which will be 65 square, minus 65 means 606 6404. Okay, next, unit digit is 5, so unit digit must be the 5, leaving 3 digits, 274, nearest cube is 6 cube, so the value for this one is 65 and 35, so 10 plus 4 14, this will be 10 7 0 6 60704 is our answer, option C. Okay, syllogisms completed. Now quadratic equations. First question, here we see minus 6 3 2 times, plus minus and minus means plus and minus are the roots, y square plus 2 minus 2, so by comparing these two it is clear that this 2 positive 2 comes in between these two numbers, So x is greater than y and x is lesser than y comes here, so there is no relation can be established in between these two equations. Second question, here x cube value is equals to minus 2744, so x value will be minus 14 cube. Okay, here this will be, let's take 2 common, we have y square minus 180, sorry, it is 196. Y square value is equals to 196, so y value will be plus 14 or minus 14. By comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than or equals to y. Okay, third question, 3 4 times 12, and we need to get a minus 1, so 3 4 times means 4 3 times. Subtracting these two we get 1, minus and minus will be plus and minus. Here 3 13 times, which will be 39, 13 3 times, so these are the roots. Plus and plus means both are negative, bases are equal. Comparing these two, it is clear that x is greater than or equals to y. Next, fourth one, 171. 171 is a 19 table factor of 19. 19 9 times. Minus and plus means both the roots are in positive. Here we see plus and plus means both are negative signs. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that x is greater than y. Fifth one, here 7 6 times 42, and we need to get 15. That 14 3 times, wait a second, 7 6 times 42, wait a second, this is not 6x square, it is 8x square. 8 7 times 56, we need to get a 15, means 8 5 are the roots, 8 and 7 are the roots. Minus and plus means both the roots are in positive. Next, here 2 6 times 12, we need to get this one, for 3 times is 12. Here the signs are both are in positive. To make the base equal, we need to multiply this with 2, no, it with 4. For 3 times 12, for 4 times 16. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than y. Now we have completed quadratic equations. Now we reach to wrong number series. Let's see this in here, wrong number series. Here we see a difference of 29. Here we see a difference of 31. Here we see a difference of 33. So odd numbers are consecutive numbers. The difference between these two is 37. Here the difference is 7, and here the difference must be 37, but it is 1 plus 7, which is not 220, so this is a wrong number. Next, in this case 1 4 18 48, I am familiar with these numbers. It is 2 cube minus 2 square, which is 8 minus 4. This is 3 cube minus 3 square, which is 27 minus 9 18. This is 4 cube minus 4 square. This is 5 cube minus 5 square. This is 6 cube minus 6 square. So you must be familiar with these numbers, okay, in a sequence. So it must be 1 cube minus 1 square, which is 0, not 1. So this is our wrong number. Okay, next, this question. Here we see these numbers looks like successive numbers multiplication. 13 14 times. This is 11 12 times. This is 9 10 times. 8 7 8 times. 5 6 times. 4 3 times. This must be 2 one time, which will be 2, so this is a wrong number. Next, fourth question. Here we see these all are square numbers. It is 15 square, it is 12 square, this is 9 square, this is 6 square, this is 3 square. So there is a gap of 3 in between them, so it must be 1 square, 0 square, which will be 0. So this is a wrong number, it must be 0. Next, here we see a difference of plus 12. Here we see difference of plus 10. Here difference between these two is plus 8. Here the difference between these two is 6. So here it must be 4. But here what we have is 5. So this is a wrong number. Next one, we are going to see missing number series. Missing number series, first question. Here we see a difference of 7. Here we see a difference of 26. Here we see a difference of 63. So I am familiar with these numbers as 2 cube minus 1, 3 cube minus 1, 4 cube minus 1. Next one must be 5 cube minus 1, which will be 124. 311 plus 124 will be 5, 3, 435. Option A is our answer. Next, second question. Here we see this is into 2 times. It is into 2.5 times. This is into 3 times. So it must be into 3.5 times. 93 times is 270 and half of this one 45, which will be 315. So answer will be 315, option B. Next, third question. Here we see a difference of 16. Here the difference is 32. Here we see a difference of 6, 5, 2. So these must be in a double. 32 double times 64, 64 double times 128. 93 plus 64, which will be 157. Answer is 157, option C. Next, fourth question. Here we see this is plus 5. This is 292 becomes 146, means into 0.5 times. Here it is nearly 6 times 72, and extra 6 means 0.5 times into 6.5 plus 5, difference of 1.5. So here let's take a difference of 1.5 means into 3.5. 83 3 times, which will be 9, and 8 3 times 249, and half of this one, which will be 41.5. So what we get is a 0.5. 41.5 means this will be 0, 9, 2, 290.5. So option will be option D. Next, fifth question. Here we see a difference of 91. Here the difference between these two is 5, 95. Here we see a difference of 5 plus 2 7, and this will be 0, 107. So these are odd numbers. No, the difference between these two is 4. So the next 4 must be 99. The next 4 must be 103. The next 4 is 107. So it is right answer, 303 plus 99, which will be 402. So answer will be 402, option A. Now we are going to see reasoning puzzle 1. 8 persons are sitting around a square table in such a way that 4 of them are sitting at the corners and facing outside, while 4 of them are sitting in the middle of the sides and facing inside. So even though it is a square, we'll take a drawing like this. The corners facing outside and the person sitting in the middle facing inside. Okay. Next, the statements given is J sits second to the right of the one who faces N. One who faces N, second to the right is J. Next one, only 2 persons sit between J and G. 1, 2, this is place for G, or else we have another possibility, which is J here, N here, and 1, 2, this is the place for G. So we got two possibilities. Next statement is the one who sits opposite to G is second to the left of L. Opposite to G, second to the left of L means this is place for L. Opposite to G, second to the left means this is the place for L. Okay. Next statement is the number of persons sitting between L and I when counted from the left of L. From the left of L in between I is same as one more than the number of people sitting between I and M when counted from the left of M, like this. Next, the final statement is only one person sit between the one who faces M and H. There is only one person, like this. K and N are not immediate neighbors. K and n does not be immediate persons. So these are the rough statements. Now we need to find the solution using these rough statements. Here we have L. Here L left side I. So it must be placed for I either here. If we place I here, only one person, 1 minus 1, which will be 0. So I and m are must be immediate. If we take m here, m left side is I, but here we have right side, so this is not the place for I. If we place I here, there are 1 2 3 3 people in between L and I. 3 minus 1, which will be 2. 2 people between I and m, so there is a possibility of placing m here, and m left side is I. 1 2 left side is I, so this is correct sequence. Next we have this statement, which is m opposite person and h has only one person between them. M opposite person and h has only one person between them, and only one person left, which is k. So here we got a solution without any disturbances. So this is our solution. K and n does not be immediate. K and n does not be immediate, as it is also following. So this does not disturbance any statements. So this is the solution of our puzzle. We don't need to find the other possibility. So let's see the questions that are asked. The first question is, who among the following persons sits third to the left of K? 1 2 3 n. Options are: option B, the one who sits opposite to J. No. Option D, the one who sits immediate right of J. So option D is our answer. Next, second question, who among the following person are immediate neighbor of H? Immediate neighbors of H are L and K. Option C, L and K. Next, third question, what is the position of M with respect to the one who sits immediate left of I? So from this, M is second to the right. So option A is our answer. Next, fourth one, if all the persons are made to sit in alphabetical order from G in clockwise direction, G, H, I, J, K, L, M and N. So the question asked is, then how many people remains unchanged? So excluding G, 1 2 3 3 people. Option B is our answer. Next, fifth question, how many persons between J and the one who sits opposite to K? Opposite to K, when counted from the right of J, 1 2, so 2 people in between them. Option D is our answer. So this is the solution of our puzzles and questions answers for our puzzle. Next, now we are going to see reasoning puzzle 2. The question given is 8 album songs were released on 2 different dates, either 16 or 27 of 4 different months. Months are given as March, April, June and July. So months given are March, April, June and July. Dates are 16 and 27. Okay, these are the dates. Let's see number of days in each month. It has 31 days, 30 days, 30 days and 31 days. Now the statements given is, I was released 3 songs after O. I released 3 songs after O means this one. Okay, next, O which was released on even number date. So O even number date means O on 16th. So O is placed here 1 2. This is placed for I. Another possibility we have is O here 1 2 I. One more possibility we have is, okay, let's change the pen. O is here and I place is here. Okay, next statement is, as many songs released after I is same as before P. So 1 2 3 1 2 3, this is place for P. 1 2 1 2, this is no place for P, so this case fails. Next, this is I means this is place for P. Next, M was released 2 songs before J. 2 songs before J means this one. Okay. Only 2 songs were released between M and K. So 1 2, this is the place for K, or else we have MJ 1 2, this is the place for K. So we got 2 possibilities like this. Next one, N was released immediately preceding month of L. Immediate preceding month of L. Different months, immediate months. Okay, this one. Now we have statement M dash J. Here there is no place for M dash J. Here we have place for M dash J, but to place the K, there is 2 people between them, and this is the place for K. N and L are immediate preceding months. Here we cannot able to place L and N for immediate months, so this case fails. So only left with one more possibility, which has we can place M dash K, M dash J here, possibility is here, but we cannot able to place K here. So we have one more possibility, which is M dash J here and K place is here. Okay. Next, N and L are immediate preceding months. N is the preceding month of L. So this is the only possibility we got. So this is the solution of our puzzle. Let's see the questions that are asked. The first question is, if the songs released in the month having 31 days were hit, so these 2 months, then which of the following songs were not hit songs? So the hit songs are P, N, K, I. Options given is I, M, P. So M is not a hit. So option only 2 is our answer. Option B is our answer. Next, second question. How many songs were released after M? After M means 1, 2, 3, 4. Option C. Third question. What is the position of K with respect to L? K with respect to L. 1, 2, 3, 4 songs after. So option D, 4 songs after is our answer. Next, question number 4. As many songs released between Question number 4. As many songs released between I and dash. I and O. I and O, there is 2. Before M. Before M, 3 people know. I and P. I and P, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Before J. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. I and L. I and L. 1, 2, 3, 4. Before N. 1. No. I and K. I and K, there is no persons. Before L, there are 2 persons. No, it is not possible. So option E only left. So answer is option E. Next, question 5. How many months are between the month in which P and J? P is in March and J is in June. In between April and May, 2 months are in between them. So answer will be option D. So these are the answers for our question. So these are the answers for our puzzle questions. Next, we are going to see syllogisms. Syllogisms, first question. Some elephant is tiger. Some elephant is tiger. Only a few tiger is wolf. No wolf is lion. Only a few bear is lion. Conclusions. All bear are wolf is a possibility. All bear are wolf is a possibility. No, it is not possible because of this part. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion. Some elephant cannot be. Here we see not. So we check all elephant can be lion. All elephant can place inside lion. It is possible. All case possible means some not case will be fails. So this case will be false. Next, second question. all mango is banana. Only a few banana are kiwi. No kiwi is grapes. All grapes is cherry. Conclusions. Some cherry is not kiwi. Here we see not. So we check all cherry can be kiwi. All cherry can be placed inside kiwi. It is not possible. All case not possible means first conclusion will be true. Next, second conclusion. All mango can be kiwi. All mango can be placed inside kiwi. It is possible. So second conclusion is also true. Third question. Only a few ocean. Only a few sea is ocean. No sea is a pond. Only a few water is a pond. No river is water. Let's see conclusions. First conclusion. All sea is not water. We see not. So we check all sea can be water. All sea can be placed inside water. It is possible. All case possible means some not case will be false. Second conclusion. Some pond or river. Pond of some pond is sharing with river. No. False. Next. Fourth question. All brinjal is onion. Only a few cabbage is pumpkin. Some brinjal is cabbage. Only a few cabbage is pumpkin. Only a few spinach is onion. Next one. Conclusions. All cabbage can be onions. All cabbage can be placed inside onions. It is possible. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion. Some spinach is not brinjal. Here we see not. So we check all spinach can be brinjals or not. All spinach can be placed inside brinjal. It is not possible because of this one. So all case fails means some not case will be true. Next, fifth question. Only crow is a sparrow. So sparrow is inside a crow and doesn't share with anything. Some crow is dove. All dove is hen. Only a few hen is owl. Let's see conclusions. No owl is a sparrow is a possibility. We see some owl can be sparrow. Some owl can be sparrow. It is not possible. Some case not possible means no case will be true. True is a possibility. No. So first conclusion will be false. All crow cannot be dove. Here we see not. So we check all crow can be dove. All crow can be dove. No, it is not possible because of this one. So all case not possible means all not case will be true. Second conclusion will be true. Okay. Now we are going to see inequalities. The inequalities concept we use here is the flow method. If we see a symbol like this, we see the flow from this side to this side. If we see a symbol like this, the flow from this side to this side. Let's see through the questions directly. The flow from T to P. From T, there is flow up to P. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion, the flow from L to O. From L, we can reach to O, but there is everywhere equal to also. Here there is no equal to. So second conclusion will be false. Second question, the flow from K to Z. From K, we can reach to J and N. From N, we can reach to Y. From Y, we can reach to Z. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion, the flow from X to Q. From X, there is no flow. So second conclusion will be false. Third question, first conclusion, the flow from I to E. From I we can reach to A. From A we can reach to D. From D we can reach to E. First conclusion will be true. Second conclusion, the flow from B to C with everywhere equals to. From B we can able to reach to D, and from D we can reach to C, and here is equal to, here is also equal to. So second conclusion will be true. Fourth question, the flow from D to E with everywhere equals to. From D we can reach to E, and there is everywhere equal to also. First conclusion will be true. Second conclusion, the flow from T to J. From T we can able to reach to J. So second conclusion is also true. Next, fifth question, the flow from V to C. From V we can reach to S. From S we can able to reach to F. From F we can able to reach to C. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion, the flow from V to O with everywhere equals to V to S is possible. From S we can able to reach to O. Equal to here is also equal to. So second conclusion will be true. Now we have completed inequalities also. Now it is time for coding and decoding questions. First, computer and computer are common here, and history there is no common words, so computer code is common for these two is 32. Next one, history. There is history in third statement and there is no other common words, so history is common for first and third statement. History, which is 52. Next one, science. Is there any science here? No. Bengali and Bengali is common here, so the common word for 1 and 2 is 23, which is Bengali. So only left with 31, which is science. Next, here Bengali is completed. English and English is common in here, and there is no other common words from these two, so the common word for English, which is 15. Next, maths. There is no maths anywhere. Geography, there is no geography also, so maths and geography has possibilities, which are 11 and 12. Next one, we have seen history. English also we have seen. Psychology is common in these two, and there is no nutrition, so common for 3 and 4, which is 41. 41 is psychology. Next, nutrition, only left with nutrition in this third statement, which is 45. Next, computer we have seen. Physics we don't seen yet. Psychology we have seen. Chemistry, there is no chemistry in above, so we got another possibilities. Physics and chemistry has a 92 or 33. Let's see the questions that are asked. What is the code for 45? 45 is nutrition. Option B is our answer. Next, what is the code for science English? Science English means science 31, English is 15. 31 15. Option C is the answer. Next, what is the code for 92? 92 either physics or chemistry, so physics or chemistry means A or B. Option E. Next, fourth one, what is the code if the sum of the codes of geography and Bengali, it will 35. 35 means here we have 23. 35 minus 23 will be 12, so geography must be 12. What is the difference between the code of maths science? Maths will be 11. Maths 11, science is 31. The question asked is the difference between these two, which is 20. Option D is our answer. Next one, fifth question. What is the sum of the codes of computer, history and nutrition? Computer, history and nutrition. What are the values are 32, 52 and 45. 9, this will be 8 plus 4 12, 129. So answer will be option A, 129. So that's all for today's daily score booster questions. Thanks for watching. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon to get instant notification about my videos. Thanks for watching.